So we've been forecasting this for the last 18 months. We're talking about turmoil in the traditional wealth of stocks and bonds. 70% of most people's wealth is held in the stock market and 20% in the bond market. Both of those are completing their cycles. The bond market's already completed its cycle, and then we're heading for interest rates much higher than where they are now. And of course, we've talked about a window of opportunity to refinance because we thought rates would back up. And we're getting that now. We've actually seen them come down whole 3/8 of a point to half a point. And we're seeing oil. We talked about oil coming down. That's dropped $25 a barrel. We're talking about housing. We've talked about the fact that we're expecting a correction. We've had 10 months of declining sales, and now we're starting to see declining home prices. So most of the forecast has been spot on. Now, what to do about that? Well, we have a lot of people my age that they're taking their wealth out of the stock and bond market. They're traditional. It's just probably a good idea. It's at huge risk at the moment, as you can see the turmoil in the market. So I think we're up. We went down 1,000 points. We went up 1,000 points, and then we lost 800 points, and today we're down 400 or 500 points. So we're breaking a lot of trend lines, so a pretty scary time. It's going to get worse from here probably. But we in the real estate business are waiting for waterfall events so we can buy. You know, we're buying income, so we're not too terribly concerned about the price of the properties. We're more concerned about how much income these properties are deriving for us. And of course, you know, we get to be my age, we're more concerned about income than capital gains. So we're really happy about this because, you know, if people don't buy houses, they rent them, and of course that's what we do. We rent houses to people, and we keep a good cash flow. So we're just looking for an opportunity to buy some more and put into our portfolio. So we're telling our clients that we can convert some of their cash to income, but not all of it because we haven't had a waterfall event yet, and we're expecting that. But we could probably put some of it to work so that you can have income, so you can actually have some money to spend, which is you know, people don't like to spend their capital. They like to spend the income off the capital. That seems to be like the American way. So we can do that for you and make for a much better life. So look, we're actually pretty excited. You know, all my clients are doing well. Our income's up. We're all in cash positions. Everybody has gone down to core properties, and most of us are out of the stock and bond market. So my best to you. Bye-bye.